Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So it's time to do a nighttime skincare routine. I am feeling so relaxed right now. I just did my bath routine and y'all, I feel amazing right now. So I'll definitely leave my bath routine a link for you guys if you haven't seen it already. So since I'm feeling so relaxed tonight, I just want to do a really quick and fast skincare routine. And I usually pull out these two products when I want the easiest, simplest, but yet really effective type of skincare routine. So first I went in with my cleansing balm. I used this one by Verse. This was in my affordable skincare routine video. I'll definitely link that for you. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanser. This one is by City Beauty and this is the Youth Rejuvenating Cleanser. Love this cleanser. It's so gentle, so effective. This is actually like the most gentle cleanser that I have. I highly recommend this for all skin types, especially if you have sensitive skin. You would love this cleanser. If you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen this cleanser before, and I thought now would be a really good time to bring this back to my channel because they're having a 40% off sale right now. I'll leave the dates and links and everything in the description box for you guys to check it out. I did do a video featuring City Beauty a while ago, and I'll leave that video linked for you as well, and all the products that I used in that video I'll also link for you guys. But this is absolutely one of my favorite products from them. You guys, I just love this cleanser. The formula is so unique and so luxe. It's so gentle on the skin. Like I said, it's good for all skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, you will be amazed by the way this cleanser feels on your skin. Makes your skin feel so plump and supple, but it's so gentle that it won't irritate your skin. It has pineapple and papaya derived enzymes. They gently remove the dead skin cells, and it also has dragon blood extract, which supports collagen production. It's definitely gentle enough to use day and night, and I love the way my skin feels after I use this cleanser. Even though it's so super gentle, like it breaks down my makeup good, my sunscreen good, like my face feels clean after I use this, but it still feels so soft and moisturized. Like this is a very unique formula and I just love it. So now I'm going in with my last product. I know, right? If you are not new to my channel, you know that I usually have a long, extensive skincare routine, but tonight we're just 2 steps, that's it. So I'm going in with my moisturizer, and this one is also by City Beauty. This is their microbiome night mask, and the reason why I'm using this tonight is because you are only supposed to use this by itself. It says don't layer under or over any other products. Let this do its magic overnight. And that's what I'm gonna do. This microbiome night mask is a sleeping mask that works with your body's nighttime renewal process. So it helps balance the skin's microbiome. It supports skin's natural barrier and also reduces the appearance of wrinkles. You guys, I really love this mask because for one, it's just so simple. That's the only product I need, and my skin is still gonna get all of the benefits it needs to be protected and rejuvenated at night. So I love that mask, and I actually really love this routine. I know you guys usually see me do a whole long skincare routine, but sometimes I just want to go to bed. I'm just tired, but I need my skin to be fed, and these are the 2 products that I run to. So that was our skincare routine tonight. Super simple, just 3 easy steps because skincare does not have to be complicated. So definitely give their products a shot during this sale. 40% off is great. Perfect time to try these products. Their products are good, effective, and worth it. So I absolutely recommend both of these products and the other products that I'll leave down in the description box. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to City Beauty for sponsoring this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next skincare video. Bye.